Stop translating in your head. That's the reason you still can't speak English fluently. You know the words, you understand everything, but when it's time to speak, your brain freezes. Why? Because you are thinking it in your native language first and then trying to turn it into English. That delay kills your fluency. But today I'll talk about how to break that habit forever. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now let's be real. You don't have a bad memory. You don't lack talent. You have just been training your brain wrong way. You have been learning English like a school subject, not like a language, right? When you translate, your brain does this. Things in a native language, translate word by word, build a sentence, then speak. By the time you finish, step or conversation has already moved on. Here's the truth. Fluent speaker does not translate. They think in English and you can train your brain to do same thing. Here's how. Step 1. Start thinking in simple English. Forget long sentence. Begin with short thoughts. Instead of thinking, I need to go to the store, think directly in English. Go store, buy milk, come back. It's okay if it's not perfect. Your brain is learning speed, not grammar. Step 2. Label everything around you. Look around right now and say what you see. Door, light, phone, water. Do this every day. Soon your brain will connect English word directly to objects. No translation needed. Shadow native speakers. Find short clips of native speakers, listen and repeat exactly what they say. Same tone, same rhythm, same emotion. This builds natural English thinking patterns and pronunciation. Step 4. Speak out loud. Speak out loud every day. Talk to yourself. Describe what you are doing. I am cooking. I am walking. Stop chasing perfection. Fluency is not about perfect grammar, it's about flow. Even native speakers make mistakes. The goal is to keep talking, not to stop. Think about it. Babies don't translate. They listen, they repeat, and they speak. That's how they become fluent. You can do the same. Think in English, speak with confidence. So from today, promise yourself one thing. No more translation. Every time you catch yourself doing it, stop and switch to English. Because the moment you stop translating, you start speaking fluently. If you want a full step-by-step guide on how to train your brain to think in English faster, comment details below. I will make the next video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel